Hello, my name's Lucas, and I did my final project on CyberTerrorism for CIS2050. And we'll go ahead and get started. So for the introduction, we're going to be talking about what is cyberterrorism, when it started, where it came from, who's using the technology to create this havoc and spread cyberterrorism, who's vulnerable and what is vulnerable, as well as major security concerns with the United States and what we're doing to help stop it. So first off, what is it? Cyberterrorism, Merriam-Webster defines cyberterrorism as terrorist activities intended to damage or disrupt vital computer systems. Essentially, it's the deliberate attack on someone, specific, or a country using technology without physical attack. So the origins, cyberterrorism has been around since 1991. Which was the invention of the World Wide Web, or the Internet as we know it. It's grown significantly since then. It is apparent that societies globally are becoming more and more information technology dependent. And the United States former Deputy Secretary in 1997 said that we're actually facing a possibility of electronic Pearl Harbor, which is going to happen sometime in the near future, which I definitely agree on. So who's using this information and this technology? The U.S. State Department claims that nations such as North Korea, Iran, Russia, Cuba, and a few others are all known to have supported terrorist organizations. And because of this, all these countries have technology advanced enough to create havoc within the technological realm. Because these countries are known to support these organizations, it basically allows countries like us susceptible to attack the United States and its allies, which is very scary. Who and what is vulnerable? Simply stated, everyone and anyone is vulnerable to cyberterrorism. However, the specific vulnerabilities include attackers having the ability to run code, access computer systems memory, exposing classified information, install viruses and malware, and steal, destroy, or modify sensitive information. Next is just a graph. It's the distribution of cyber attacks across cultural, social, economic, and political motivations. As you can see from the graph, the mid to late 90s and early 2000s was a huge part of politically motivated and socio-cultural motivated attacks. More until the later 2000s, it became more economically motivated, which I found very interesting. Some security concerns and ethical issues. Security concerns more number in the United States. Of course, with cyberterrorism, there are major security concerns. Without proper security measures, cyber attacks have the ability to shut down entire networks, including electronic presence, data breaches, financial information, etc. And obviously, there's nothing ethical about cyberterrorism. The United States has military task force and a cyber command that concentrates solely on stopping these acts, which I would actually consider a small branch of joint operations that solely focuses on this. So for future use, as stated previously, cyber attacks are becoming more prevalent as technology advances. The poll conducted by PEW Research found that out of 1,600 cyber experts, 61% said yes, there will be a major cyber attack by 2025. 39% said no. And with us, meaning the United States and its allies, it's a constant back and forth. While technology advances, so will cyberterrorism. However, counter-cyberterrorism is going to advance as well. So it's a constant push and pull. These are just a few examples of cyberterrorism in the act. Some people have suspected Russia, the government, attacking, encouraging organized crime, like the invasion of Georgia in 2008, which I found very interesting. In May 2014, five Chinese officials were indicted in Western Pennsylvania for hacking, espionage, and other offenses aimed at U.S. victims, which included power plants, metal, and solar product industries. October 2014, Russian hackers reported to have discovered a flaw in Microsoft Windows Because of that, they were able to spy on NATO, the Ukrainian government, and other Western nations. The list just keeps going. So more just about Cyber Command. It was created in 2009 by the National Security Administration, or NSA. Its mission is to direct, synchronize, and coordinate cyberspace planning and operations to defend and advance national interests. Essentially, it unifies cyberspace operations and strengthens the DoD, Department of Defense. And this is just a few photos of Cyber Command. What it looks like. As I said, there's many joint operations between different branches of the military and all working together for one common goal. And to conclude, summary, the cyberterrorism isn't going away. And it's always going to be here, and it's going to be more prevalent every day. Anyone is vulnerable to cyber attack. Anyone. Because of that, proper security measures are vital to national security. And essentially, at the end of the day, vigilance is key. Understanding the dangers of the internet and what's on the internet, and understanding that just by clicking on suspicious links, and even your email as an example, I could really put you at the mercy of a cyber attack. So it's very important. And my last slide are my sources, and that's it. Thank you.